Hey guys, hope everyone's doing good. Been a minute since my last video, but thought I'd give you guys a little update on what I've been up to and what my plan is. Winter up here has been pretty brutal this year. Probably got some background noise with the furnace on right now. And I don't even know how much snow we got this year, but this probably doesn't do it any kind of justice, but we got a crap ton of snow. So between clearing snow every other day or every day, kind of doesn't leave me a lot of free time to work on things, but I have been working away at it. So this is after hours and hours of sanding and body work. It doesn't look like much, I guess, but there really is a lot of time into this. Just trying to make it as nice as I could. So the thing to keep in mind is these are lightweight fiberglass parts, so they're not going to be perfect. The doors are actually really decent. The bottom of this one's got a little bit of a wave there still, but as you can see, like I'm right down to the fiberglass here, and I've filled it in a couple spots there. And other than, you know, skimming the whole door, I mean, it's pretty decent. The front clip is really where a lot of the time went in. I think I showed earlier or in one of the older videos, it had a pretty good low spot through here, and the wheel wells just weren't quite right. It also had like probably like a mold line or something in it there. The front grille part was pretty wavy. The body line at the front here was kind of offset from the upper grille and the bumper and stuff. So it took a bit of time to straighten that out. It had like a really weird dip down here. These aren't even side to side. I mean, it's just not 100%. So I did spend a lot of time trying to make it, you know, presentable so I'd be happy with it. The wheel wells are really what took a lot of extra time. I ended up making kind of a template off of my old front clip, and I just kind of used that to shape the body fill, and you know, it should be pretty decent. So it took some time to get all this stuff right. The doors are all done too, and I'm probably gonna just let this all sit for probably a month or two. Just let everything sink and do what it's gonna do. And as you can see, I literally just finished pulling the engine out. Game plan is go through it and see what's up. I've never had this engine apart. I've kind of done a few little bearing roll-ins and maintenance stuff on it, but for the most part, heads have never been off it or anything like that since I put it together. So really curious to get that apart and see how everything's holding up. Other than that, my game plan for the winter is just look everything over and don't mess with it. It's working pretty good. I think I got a pretty good handle on most of the shocks and the tune-up and everything. So I really don't want to change it around a lot. I think I'd be smart to just leave it alone and hopefully come out strong in the spring with a combo that's kind of working. Other than that, just plan on painting it. If I get time, I might just run the primer for a little bit. We'll see how it goes. But yeah, I planned on buying a new hood for it. I was actually going to go and maybe pick it up at Summit like tomorrow or Monday. Monday is a holiday for us, so I was planning on doing that, but this big snowstorm, I don't know if I'm going to make the trip or not, but we'll see what happens. Going to decide late tonight, I think. So I'm going to take some videos of taking the engine apart and show you guys what I found and keep you guys updated. So yeah, no big plans this year, no big changes. Just go over everything, make sure everything's right. So that's it, guys. Just short little update. Let you guys know I'm still here, still picking away at the car, just picking away slowly. So that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good one.